first time I ever saw it was at the 1964 World's Fair in New York, and definitely made an impression on me at that time.
It was just so amazing back then because I'd never seen anything like it.
It's usually the first ride we ride when we arrive, and the last ride we ride before we leave.
No, I just love to look at the costumes of the dolls and them dancing and skating. And
On s'est baladé sur les bateaux à travers les différents pays du monde avec des scènes caractéristiques de chaque continent. Alors, les enfants ont particulièrement aimé les cow-boys et les indiens.
La parte que me gustaba más es donde estaban todos los niños de diferentes culturas cantando en diferentes idiomas.
I remember our own children just being intrigued with all the different countries, and then they'd come out of here wanting to name all the countries.
Well, my favorite memory of A Small World ride is the fact that it was actually one of my first rides ever at Disneyland or Disney World.
Well, it was just fun, I guess, watching their faces light up. And I guess you could see how it captured their imagination.
It was the first time I brought my daughter here. When my daughter saw everything, her eyes lit up. We went there 5 times and she just left there singing the song.
When I first went on Small World, I was about 4 years old. After riding it again today, I was really excited because I remembered just the atmosphere of all the colors and the sparkles and all the different children smiling.
Cuando entramos a este ride, sonrió, la sonrisa más grande del mundo. Le encantó.
Just recently, I have a little baby boy, and I got to bring him here and just watch his face light up and feel the magic again that I felt when I was a little kid.
oh, it's our favorite ride. We love it.
It was really, it was amazing. It was, yeah.
It's a classic. You have to go on It's a Small World.